I'll take you to the coffee shop, then I'll pour you up a cuppa, latte, espresso, or drip. Sit back, relax, and sip. Oh, hot and black, sweet and blonde, I love them all sorts of ways. Turkish grind from the front and behind, we'll be crushing beans all day. Pour me up a cup as I tell you a tale of many years ago. It all starts out with the coffee pot, water, and the stove, and a little green bag that my dad brought home called Papadopoulos. This is the process, step by step, for those who do not know. In other lands they heat coffee on sand and use cardamom, but that's not done in Greece, my son, so please listen up. Put the coffee in a mason jar so that it will stay fresh. Add a spoonful to the water, then I'll tell you what is next. Put the pot on the stove until it boils, then pour it in a cup. If it is too strong, you will not sleep until the sun comes up. And I do not mean tomorrow, son, I meant next month. Light, medium, and dark roast, I love them all the same. Come with me to the coffee shop, and son,